Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna, and today we have the most flexible thing I think we've ever featured on this channel, and these are the Ergotron Carts. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test. But jumping right in, this is an Ergotron cart, and honestly, you probably will never see another one that looks exactly like this, and that's because they are so customizable. You can really tailor these to any situations. Where we see them a lot though is healthcare, law offices, and any corporate enterprise really. At its core, this is a mobile mounting solution for displays and collaboration gear. But in all reality, you can really make these anything you want. I also want to point out that these are super solid. Like, I'm wobbling it and pressing my feet and hands down on it, and it's not budging at all. Typically, when you think of a conference room, you think of a mounted TV with a camera on the wall and some sort of speaker solution, maybe a tablet. But with this cart, you can actually mount a monitor, a camera, speakers, add a laptop, even meeting hubs, and take it from room to room to turn any space into a meeting area. Another cool thing about these is you can add so many different accessories. So like this shelf, for example, is an added-on accessory. This tabletop, it's an added-on part that can be moved up and down. This monitor was added. I think you're getting the gist. But to connect these pieces, all you need is a bracket that matches and a plan for configuration, and then you're ready to go. Another really cool thing about these carts is that they can be branded, so we can put your logo on it, any saying, and they're fully customizable. Right here, I'm just going to show you what the Ergotron website looks like to show you just how many possibilities there are with this cart. It's really not flashy, but it's highly functional. This cart pairs perfectly with all-in-one video bars, touch controllers, and mobile collaboration setups. It keeps cables super clean and devices secure while maintaining a consistent setup no matter where the meeting is. If you're looking at these carts for healthcare, they also have devices that can be easily wiped off to maintain sanitation. So really, this makes sense if you're in offices with flexible spaces, education or training environments, healthcare or clinical settings, or teams that need shared AV without permanent installs. I actually use a work cart to film videos most of the time at Sencom, so if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below and I can do a full video. But for now, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out, and we'll see you next time. Bye!